Hi everyone, this is my presentation on For the Love of Public Libraries and Independent Bookstores. So the two places that I visited was the Illinois Hampton Branch Public Library and then Wild Detectives in Bishop Arts, which is a bookstore slash bar slash coffee shop and so on. For the Illinois and Hampton Branch Public Library, three things that I really loved, as you can see here in the pictures, are very centered around children. So they have a lot of diverse children's books. They have a large quantity of computer access, and they also have makerspace areas and activities that are going out throughout the summer, so I really like that. For the Wild Detectives bookstore, three of the things that I really liked were the high diverse of reading topics, considering that the store was a little small, but they had a lot of great topics to read about that they offer. I love that it was a coffee in the bar inside the bookstore, just in case you want to make yourself comfortable to a good book. And it offers comfortable working and reading areas. So as you can see in the pictures, there's just a good amount of space for you to just kind of grab on to and just read yourself away for the rest of the day. And that is my presentation. Thank you.